Hi, I'm Tim O'Neill with AZ Property Inspections. We're here today with Don from TFC Air. He is the owner of the company that is installing our new HVAC units. And I wanted to talk to Don a little bit about the energy efficiency of these systems. So Don, tell us about
So what we have here is a 16 SEER system, which is very high efficiency. The efficiency improvement over the old unit is about 35%. So in addition to that, we offer a lifetime compressor warranty on this unit, and 10 years on all the parts and 10 years on labor. So it's like 10 years out of sight, out of mind. So if the compressor ever fails while you own the home, you get a brand new compressor for free.
And then along with that, you gave me a workup here, Don, and you were talking about overall savings from electricity on these two systems.
Right.
I should be saving in the order of 30% or so from the electric bill, and then the overall electric bill should drop about 20%. So
That's
it's
correct.
great that over time it'll be saving us some money.
Great.
Right?
Absolutely.
Okay. All right. So we'll be going on with this series. I want to talk a little bit more about why we're having all of this done over the next couple of days, and then Don will be around to answer any questions. So have a good day. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next time.
Thank you.